Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel. So I did this makeup look for the first day of Navratri, and this is how it will be at the end of the video. I hope you all enjoy this look, and I hope this helps to do your makeup for the first day of Navratri. I have kept my outfit really simple. I'm wearing like a crop top and a skirt, and I will be uploading pictures on Instagram as well, so make sure you follow me on Instagram and continue watching the video. Alright, so I'm gonna start with primer directly, and I have Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy primer. This is the primer I need in Navratri because it gives you that extra glow from within. I took like a generous amount and I'm just warming and will spread it all over my face. This is kind of glow I need in my life. Now I will be moving on to my foundations, and for foundations, I'm gonna use Urban Color Ultimate Radiance Foundation. This is like very light, so I want something light on first day. And this is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. I'm gonna mix a little bit if I need it. So this is like one shade darker, and this is exact my skin tone, and I feel like it oxidizes. It doesn't used to match me, but now it matches me perfectly, and it oxidizes, so it will balance everything out. I'm gonna take a very little amount and mix these two and just dot my face with it. I'm gonna take my Real Technique sponge. I know it's dirty, but I used it this morning, so yeah, I'm gonna use this to just press everything in my skin. This sponge is phenomenal. It does the job amazing, and if you want me to review this, then do let me know in the comments section. I would love to review this. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline concealer in the shade 25 to just cover the problem areas. I'm just taking very little. I don't want too much. Also on my lids and over here, my eyebrows, to cover my redness and hyperpigmentation, and to some dark spots. That's it. And I'm gonna take this small sponge to just blend everything out. And as you can see, it helped me in cleaning out my brows, and it does the job great. Now I will be moving on to the powder to set everything out, and for that I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. I'm just gonna take some on back of my hand and just try to bake. I will apply it wherever I crease and also under my contour, even though I haven't contoured, and I will just take whatever the rest of the product is in my hand, and I'm just gonna set my neck. I actually like to apply powder all over my face because I have some dry areas and my T-zone is very oily. So now it's time to just dust off the excess. The best thing about this powder is I love how it sits on my skin and I love how it sets everything. Now we'll be moving on to the contour, highlight and blush. So now I'm gonna use my current favorite blush. This is the Pixi blush in the shade Peach Perfect. I'm gonna use the same powder brush, just swirl it really well and dust off the excess. I'm gonna smile. Can you see that? It also has sheen, so it will look like as if I have highlighter on my skin, but I don't have it. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use Maybelline mastrrchrome highlighter. It's been a while since I have stopped using it, so I thought today it will be a great day. If you ever feel like it's too much, then you can just tone down with your powder brush. I think it's looking perfect. Now I'm gonna contour and do my eyes. I have this Live to Inspire palette by Creole Rouge and I'm gonna contour and do my eyes with the same palette. And I also have another palette which is Invincible by Creole Rouge. And these are like perfect palettes because I need few colors and it has all the colors I need. So first we'll contour, and for contouring I'm gonna use this shade. It matches my skin, like it matches my contour. Basically, like I love this color and it's like perfect. It's not too pigmented, it's not too light, it's just perfect. I think I'm gonna do like a purpley pink smoky eye. Let's see how it goes. So first I'm gonna take my favorite fluffy brush. This is like a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to take this shade, the same contour shade, and just give my eyes a little life. This is just for transition. Now with the help of pencil brush, I'm gonna take this shade which is matching to my blouse, and I'm gonna start just placing it in my crease. I will blend the edges at the end, but I'm just trying to place the color. And now I'm going to take this shade which is also somewhere near to my outfit, and I'm going to place it near my outer V. Now I'm going to take the same brush and just blend everything, like blending any harsh edges. I'm going to take a similar color like the one I have in my another palette, and I'm gonna just place it in my outer V. Yeah, this is showing up really nicely. Yeah, this is looking beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna blend. I'm being very patient because I want my eyeshadow to just talk. Now I will be taking this shade and just do my lid. Brush won't work. I have to use my fingers. It's not that pigmented though. I think it looks amazing. Now comes the main part. Actually, I like to smoke it at the end. So I'm going to take this brown shade from Live to Inspire and take a flat fluffy brush, and just be as close as I can to my lash line. And this is like a soft smoke, so it's not even showing up. I think I'm gonna leave it like this and complete my lower lash line with this color. I try to look up while doing my lower lash line. I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade and do it like do my inner half of the eye. I think it looks great. Now I'm gonna take this flat brush, which I usually use for my inner corners, and do my inner corners. And for my inner corners, I am gonna do yellow inner corner. So I'm gonna take this shade. It's like a shimmery shade, and do my inner corners. It's so easy and so beautiful. I'm gonna use this champagne sort of a shade for my brow bone. And now it's looking nice. I think I'm gonna line my eyes. Since it's a soft smoke, I don't mind lining, and makeup has no rules. I have lined them very precisely because I don't want it to show up, but still I want to fill my gaps. It looks amazing, I think. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes and do my mascara. So for my mascara, I'm gonna use Avon mascara. This is their Simply Pretty range, and this is like a great mascara, and it's so affordable. It's looking fabulous. And the most difficult part will be lipstick. So first I'm gonna apply lip balm. This is from Blistex. So I went ahead and I applied this Bordeaux from Unique to You color, and this is looking too much right now. So I'm gonna tone it down with my Arnive lip gloss. I hope this works. So this is the final look. I did my messy bun a little in a proper way so that it doesn't fall off while I play Garba, and the rest of the things will be mentioned in the description box. My outfit is from T's Trendy Creations. I will link it in the description box as well, and I think it's looking nice, and I'm gonna come up with more looks. So stay tuned and see you.